This is the Harmony, a set of one transmitter and 3 of these speakers that you can place around your house for multi-room audio or parties. Here are a few quick tips and tricks on how to use the Harmony for best results. Tip 1. In order to use all 3 speakers together, you'll need to use the included transmitter. The transmitter supports optical, RCA, and aux inputs. So if you have an iPad, laptop, PC, or even TV, you can hook them up directly to the transmitter without any adapters. If you're using a smartphone that doesn't have an aux jack, you'll need to get either a Lightning to aux or USB-C to aux adapter to connect to the transmitter. Tip 2. The Harmony set is designed to be pretty plug and play. All you have to do is plug the transmitter in, connect your audio source to the transmitter, turn everything on, and voila, perfectly synced sound. Tip 3. Each speaker outputs some pretty serious powerful audio, but if you have a particularly large space or just want more sound, you can add up to 100 of the Harmony speakers to your set. Just search for Harmony add-on speakers on either Amazon or the Avantree website. You can also adjust the volume on each individual speaker independently of the others, so you can get the perfect sound balance for your space. Tip 4. Each Harmony speaker also works on its own as a regular Bluetooth speaker, so you can connect your phone directly to one of the speakers. Yes, sadly only one at a time, via Bluetooth for some quick and easy one-to-one sound. Tip 5. We know most people like to use their phones to play music, and we also know using an adapter and plugging your phone into a stationary transmitter isn't the most ideal. So with that in mind, we're currently working on a second version of the Harmony that will let you connect your phone to the transmitter via Bluetooth instead, so you can broadcast to all of the speakers simultaneously with no wires or adapters needed. We expect it to be ready towards the end of this year, and when it is, you'll be able to swap your current set for the new tech totally on us. That's all I have for you today. If you ever need any help with anything, have any questions, or want to swap your set with the updated version when that comes out, please reach out to us at support@avantree.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your experience with the Harmony.